In order to fit or replace the SIM card, you need to access the global remote device, which is located on the back panel of the machine here. So having located the device, first of all you need to get your SIM card, and this is a SIM card that has data enabled from a service provider where you know you've got adequate network coverage. The SIM card fits in with the gold connection panel facing towards you. To insert the SIM card, first of all locate the slot at the back of the unit and make sure that the locking tab has been slid downwards. With the golden contact panel facing you, insert the SIM card into the slot and push it against the spring until it clicks into position. Most importantly, you must then slide the locking tab upwards and back into position, and if you don't do that, the device won't operate. Removing the SIM card is a straightforward reversal of the process. First of all, slide the locking tab downwards, push against the SIM card until it springs out, and then it can be removed.